Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's jump right into this video. You know what this video is about is change color in GIMP. So I'd like to change the actually hand here, and I can click on here fuzzy select tool. You can also select by color if you want to. So actually we can try for this image. So I can click and select this, no, not the best because it didn't select that part, which I knew that's going to happen, but you know, I can use this again. So selected, still not the best, but I would like to invert, so I can go to select, invert. So here in select, invert, and then I can go to layout and select the new layout with the transparent, and I can click on that, and then I can see and then just paste this. Okay, so now we have this new selection here. I can also reselect this. I can press Control C and I can paste this here. Now if I hide this, this is what I have here, this new selection. I can now go with, we can go to transform and just maybe scale this selection we have here like this. So that's basically how you can change the, I can paste here, but I can crop a selection and paste it in a different layer. But what if you want to change the color? Now I can go to color here, and then here we have saturation, we have levels, we have hue, saturation. So if you can see, if I use this, I can change this, but it's not going to do like a complete work, if I can say that. So I can also go here to edit, to scale the layer or delete this layer if I want to. But if I want more settings, of course, in color here, I can edit this this color even more. But this could, to be quite honest, aren't the best ways. There's options. The best one I found is this one here, colorize called. And if I click on this, is actually changing the color in a literal way. It's not just adjusting the color. So that's the best option I found for this. I hope you found this helpful. So you can also decrease the opacity, which is great. You can also add a blending. You can also add blending options, increase the hue, the lightness, the saturation, which is exactly what I was looking for. But I thought at first it's going to be here, located here, but it's not. I mean, it's related. It's kind of is relatively is located here, but still is not right here, which is here. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.